And welcome to a new set of Disney vlogs. Today is finally the day. After about 18 months of waiting, we are finally going back to Florida. It's currently like 6:30 in the morning, but I just thought I'd say hello and start the video. We've got a long day. In a little while we've got to drive to Heathrow, which is about a 2-hour drive. And our flight isn't until 1:30, but with it being a Friday morning, we've decided to get up nice and early just so that we're not in any sort of rush. So yeah, come along with us. I'll film some footage in the car, and in a minute we'll say hello to Alistair once he's up too. Good morning. Say good morning.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. We're almost ready to go. I've got my Spirit jersey on that Amy got me from Disneyland Paris, and the house is all nice and tidy, and all our suitcases here. So can you guess which one's mine? It is 7:12 and we're on our way, and Alistair's driving. Whoop whoop. So just a little update, we're actually making really good time, aren't we? Alistair's really happy. You can tell he doesn't like driving. So essentially, Sat-Nav says we're only an hour away from Heathrow, so we're going to arrive at like 9 o'clock. I don't even think I put our park in until 10, so I hope it lets us in. Yeah, we left super early because with it being a Friday morning, I was a bit worried that the traffic would be bad, but obviously we've been quite lucky today. It means we can just relax and take our time at the airport. Thanks, darling. We made it. We're at the airport now. I'm just going to say this so that we remember, but we are in parking zone A9. A9. We're going to go get in the pods now. You excited, darling?
It's going to be A-okay.
A-okay. So we're in the airport, we've gone through security at Heathrow Terminal 5, and it was actually really fast. We just come to the Wetherspoons to have lunch. We normally go to breakfast. We normally go to Giraffe, which is upstairs, but it's really busy, so we thought Wetherspoons is easy. So we're just going to eat and then probably go and have a look in duty free. Breakfast time.
After any day, we usually change of practice to add as much salt as possible.
We just got coffee, so we just sat down. It is currently 11:20, so it's about 50 minutes until we get our gate. So we're not doing bad really. We had a little run duty free, didn't we? Shake it. Yeah, so we're just going to sit and chill with the coffees until we have to go to the gate, but it's all gone very smoothly. What you got there?
I got a hang.
So, I got some little mini pretzels. Apparently, Alistair said this gin is made by Ryan Reynolds. And they gave me 2 and 2 little Sprites. So we've just been watching Jurassic World, and now the food is here. We're only like an hour and a half in, and Alistair's just cutting his bread roll up. I'm not the first person you've seen do this, right? Guys, we made it! It's our room! So we booked this extra night stay through Dave's DVC rentals. So we're in a DVC room at Jambo House. So let me take you in and we'll have a little look around. In we go! So because it's a DVC room, it's got the little setup that's like a kitchenette. We've got some Joffrey's 50th anniversary blend. I still can't actually believe that we're here and I'm like very excited. Bathroom on this side. Hi! Looking very cute. It's nice and spacious. And then in here we've got a shower over the bath. Nice mirror there on the back of the door. Hello again. Very nice. Some toiletries. I'll take those home with me. And then let's go have a look at the actual room. So just one queen bed. And then we've got a sofa over here. I'm surprised that Alistair hasn't dive bombed onto anything yet. Nice table and chairs. Lots of storage, which obviously we won't be using because we're only staying here for one night. Out on the balcony. I'll show you this in the morning a bit better, but this is our view. So I think just now there were some zebras like down here. I don't know if they're still there. Here, there's a couple of zebras. Hopefully they'll still be there in the morning. This is just incredible. I couldn't have hoped for anything better. And after the longest day, it is honestly just the best feeling ever. Now, to keep with our trip traditions, let me turn the camera around. Are you ready? It's not in focus. There we go. Steady. Go! So it's now 20 to 9, so it's quite late. We were just watching the zebras be fed. I didn't film it because it's so dark, it's really hard to see. But we're gonna go get something to eat and have a little explore of the lobby, I think. Considering, so 20 to 9 plus 5 hours. For us, it's like 2 AM. I think we're doing really good. Don't you, Alistair?
Corn!
Is that a response to my question?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Right, let's go. So we are up on level 5 and we've just walked to the lobby and oh my god, how amazing does it smell in here, Alistair?
Smells good.
So we just went and grabbed something to eat at the Mara. It was quite good, wasn't it?
Yeah, I feel much better now.
Cheap and cheerful. I think we just needed something to fill our bellies. It's now 9:15. Ali wants to go and have a look at the pool. And I want to go in the gift shop because I really want to get an Animal Kingdom Lodge pin. We're only here for one night. So tomorrow we'll probably be awake at the crack of dawn anyway. But we'll get up early, have some breakfast, and then hopefully see some of the animals.
Yes, it's definitely a swimming pool.
I can't believe we're here. Are you having a good time after a long day?
I need bed and then I can enjoy it fully.
Yeah, we'll enjoy it more tomorrow, won't we? We had a quick look around the shop and now we're heading back to the room because someone's tired, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'm sorry I've not been able to show you much. It's just been an awfully long day. But tomorrow I'm sure I'll be up bright and early and I'll take you out on the balcony with me to go and see the animals. The plan is we've got a park reservation for Animal Kingdom, but we're going to spend some time here in the morning just enjoying being in the hotel, and then probably go to Animal Kingdom around lunchtime. And we're hoping that Bell Services will take our luggage to Pop Century for us, so that we can just forget about it for now. But yeah, so fingers crossed that we can actually get to sleep and have some rest and not be too jet lagged. And we will see you tomorrow. Say bye, Alistair.
Bye.
Bye.